Blue Puppies! How are you today? Blue Puppies, let's say hello, okay? Sing with me, ready? Listen. Hello, friends. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbors. Boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. One more time. Hello, friends. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbors. Boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. Hello, Blue Puppies! How are you today? Puppies, today we're going to listen to a story about a tiny chick. He's on the farm and he's going to see some animals over there. Okay? So, ready to see which ones? But first, let's open our eyes. Whoop! And let's open our ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Story time for you and me. Tiny chick. Who do I know who smells so? Says Tiny chick. Oink oink. It must be a pig. Who do I know who moves so? Says Tiny chick. Moo. It must be a cow. Who do I know who is so woolly? Says Tiny chick. Bah, bah. It must be a sheep. Who do I know who can jump so? Says Tiny chick. Nay, it must be a horse. Who do I know who makes so much noise? Says Tiny chick. Cock-a-doodle-doo. My dad, of course. Wow! Blue Puppies, did you like the story? Listen, which animals did Tiny Chick see on the farm? He saw a pig. Look, he saw a pig. Excellent. And then what else? Then he saw a, listen, moo. Yes, look, he saw a cow. Wow. And then he saw, listen to this. Bah. Yes, he saw a sheep. Can you see the sheep? Good. And then he saw a, ooh, look, but not look, listen. Nay, it was brown. He saw a horse. Look, a horse. And at the end of the story, he saw his dad, a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Can you say rooster? Wow, awesome, Blue Puppies. Blue Puppies, it's time to say bye-bye now. Listen. Come on, Blue Puppies, sing with me. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you again next time. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you again next time. See you again next time. Bye-bye, Blue Puppies. See you soon.